Hello, friends and followers. Thank you for joining me again today at VALEUROSPORT. Buongiorno, I miei amici. Buenos dias, señor. Bonjour, mes amis. Guten Abend, meine liebe Freundin. What do we have here today? This is a rare piece that I haven't seen in 12 years of buying these Maseratis. This is the first time I see something like this. Check this out. How about a 2013? This is the very last year that was that this Maserati Quattroporte M139 platform was built, and this is a shared year between this body style and the body style that came after it. So this is kind of like half year, first half of the year. This is among the last quattroportes of this body style ever made. That's one very rare thing. But the other, even more rare thing is that I don't know if you've noticed in this video or not, but this is a Pearlescent collar, namely Bianco Fuji Pearlescent color. Notice how deep this finish is. It's beautiful. It's just a gorgeous color. Look at that. If you look at it from a distance, it just looks amazing. Not only that, but to go with this beautiful exterior, it comes with the Cuoio interior, which basically means leather in Italian. It's actually the color of leather. A beautiful mahogany wood and black accented leather throughout. This is a gorgeous example of a 2013 Maserati Quattroporte. And for the kicker, how would you feel if I told you this car has 29,000 miles? One last thing I'd like to say before I get in the car is these wheels. I'm not a big fan of aftermarket wheels, but I think these KMC wheels look great on this car. And I think you guys can agree with that. Let's go ahead and start this car and listen to that exhaust note one more time. I like to hear that every time I get these cars. I'll start this up. Well, let me first start the camera. Set up the camera right here. As usual. Let's set it up right here. There you go. I don't know if you like that or not, but I, for one, love that note. So let's go on a quick ride and see what she can tell us about what it means to be a Maserati. Alright, 29,373. Hasn't even done 30,000 miles. Let's turn down this fan a little bit just so we can hear ourselves a little better. Just so we can hear that exhaust note a little better, right, guys? Did you hear that? I think half the people buying a Maserati are buying it just for the sound you get out of the exhaust. That sings better opera than Luciano Pavarotti. I like that clock piece. It looks so elegant. Beautiful, right? I, for one, like to put it in sport mode. It stiffens the suspension a little bit and delays the shifting points. So it's got a, I think, a better ride. It suits my driving style better. Let's get a green light here. Let's see if we can keep up with the traffic here. I think we can more than keep up. Woo! Twisty mountain roads, here we come. Okay, we'll do one more quick sprint here so you guys can see the shifting points, how smooth it shifts here. Looks like it's shifting around 4,000 RPM in sport mode. I'm curious, when does it shift when I put it into normal mode? Let's see. Now it's in normal mode. Here we go, in normal mode. Looks like it shifted at 2,500 RPM this time. 3,000. Yeah, it shifts at about 3,000 RPM. Well, thank you for watching, guys. We have more hard to find pieces coming along, more unicorns. For example, a 2006 Aston Martin DB9 with only 20,000 miles and a 6-speed transmission. Come check us out. You'll be surprised what kind of exotic cars we have here. Thank you.